What's up, guys? Welcome to Hidden Jackpots. I'm in Vancouver. I'm with Travel with Lisa MH, who's off to the side, and I'm staying here. We're both staying here, not just me. But we are at Times Square Suites on Robson Street. So we're gonna go in, check it out, see where we're staying for the next 6 days. So you guys want to go check it out? Let's go see. Hello. So we are in 403. Oh, here it is right here.
Hello, Adam.
Hello.
I'm gonna check out our suite.
Oh, it looks sweet already. We just got in. I guess I'll start with the kitchen, which is full-size kitchen, dining room, 4 chairs. This I think this might be bigger than my apartment. Got the stove, nice and clean, almost looks brand new in there. Pretty brand new. Toaster, you got your microwave. Oh, it comes with utensils. So we will be, look at all these utensils, holy moly. This is more than I got at home. What was I gonna say? There's pots. We've staying here for a week, so it's kind of like our home. Dishwasher. This is better than my apartment now. I don't even have a dishwasher. Yes, I do. Sorry, Dude Does Dishes fans. It's been a little bit of a delay. Got a coffee maker here. All your dishes. Maybe I'll do dishes here. A special. More dishes. Kettle. Nellie's dishwashing powder. We got everything here. Fire extinguisher. Wine glasses. Regular glasses. Double sink, which is perfect. Full-size fridge. Did they give us snacks? No snacks. They didn't even make ice for us. No, I'm just kidding. There is no ice, but there's ice trays. There's a water jug in the fridge. There's a grocery store across the street, so we'll probably go get some groceries. And there's the door I came in. Closet here. There it is. You got the ironing board over here. It's a little bit dark. And how do you know when you're in Vancouver? They supply you with umbrellas. Because it is raining right now. Got a nice little lamp there. Dining lamp remote. That's a bright light. Check it out. It's a ceiling fan too. I do like the look of that ceiling fan. I don't know if we'll need it. We got another closet here. What is this? What is this thing? I don't know what that is. Something in a bag. Oh. Washer, dryer. Nice. This is way better than my apartment. I don't have a washer or dryer. I don't have a dishwasher. Let's check out the bathroom here. Turn on the light. Whoa, that is bright. How do I turn this off here? Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. There I am. Hello. That was so bright. Sorry, guys. A hair dryer here. Light switch, oh, that's going to be bright again. But they got a night light there. Ready? Cover your eyes, guys. It's going to be bright. Bam. There we go. Fan. Sink. Toilet. garbage. You got your moisturizing body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Not a bad looking tub. It's nice and clean. The shower head looks pretty nice. Got your towels over here. We'll check out the bedroom. Let's check out this bedroom. Wow. This bed is the size of the whole room. This bed is huge. That's crazy. Another full-length mirror. Hello again. Looks like we got a closet behind the door. Nope, that's your hot water heater. Just in case, I don't know. Won't be touching that. Closet here. Yes, there's lots of hangers. Extra pillows. Is this bathrobes? They have bathrobes. I'll be taking that down there. Put that on the dresser. It even says Times Square Suites. Nice. Dresser. Oh, I can't close this closet door. There's your lamp, remote. So there's an outlet back there. It's even clean behind the nightstand. Look how big this room is. TV. What is this, light switch? No, for the light up there. I don't know what that light switch does. There's your heat control. Air conditioner, which will not need. And there's an outlet there. Another light. I don't know how it turns on. Oh, there we go. Nice. Oh. Some windows, but we will check out the view in a second. Living room. There's Lisa. And a mirror behind Lisa. There I am. Hello. Again, with the roses in the background. Nice chair and a fireplace. Look at that fire. You gotta be careful. That's a big fire. Not really. I don't know if you could adjust that. So this place does have Wi-Fi. It's on Robson Street, which seems to be a main street here.
Seems to be.
There's a lot of hot pot restaurants, sushi. What else? Ramen. A lot of that around if you like that. You guys want to see outside? I know you can kind of see outside. You can see some red leaves. Let's check this out. Now, the other door opens too, but I'm not going to open it. Just take a look. We got a balcony. It's kind of like is that a Juliet balcony if I can step out?
It's not a Juliet balcony.
So it's not a Juliet balcony. We are on the 4th floor. Oh, look at the leaves. So there's Robson Street down there. Look at this. Look at the leaves. There's the street down there. The front entrance is actually right there. And Stanley Park is just down the road. What do you guys think? This is a great location, and I think it was, what would you say with the drive from the airport? About 20 minutes?
It was
Like that.
26 minutes.
26 minutes from the airport.
Yeah.
So there is
You
like...
can get a train from the airport or a bus as well, I think. So.
Yes, you can get a train or a bus from the airport. We decided to take an Uber because we wanted to get here, even though it was really early. So that's the big overlay there. Overlay. There's a lamp there. And a door to the room next door. I believe it is locked. What do you think, Lisa?
Oh, I think it will do us nicely.
It would do us more than nicely. I wonder what it costs to move in.
Well, it cost enough for a week.
Well, okay, so we'll skip moving in.
Yeah. But I think everything we need is here. Plus, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I would agree. And like I said, grocery store right across the street. And You know what else is good? No paint chips. Not a paint chip in this place.
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all. What is this? I think it says rooftop patio. Shall we go see?
Adam, come see this.
Wow. Look at that.
Barbecues, sun lounges. Not that we need them now.
2 barbecues. Yeah. Little dining area up here. Do not go beyond the railing. Got a view over here of some condos. Oh, and the mountains. Got a view of the mountains. Oh, and some good smelling food somewhere. Well, this is pretty nice up here. And it says it's open till like 11 p.m. It is. Just come out here and chill in these chairs and watch the mountain.
Freezing that chair.
Well, yeah, it's a little bit chilly. Literally chilling. Nice Weber barbecues. They even got the utensils here. Wow. There's that weird looking building. Did you know they had a rooftop barbecue? Or a rooftop patio?
I may have read it, but I certainly haven't remembered until we saw the sign.
Got the little lights up there. Alright, let's head back in. It's cold. Times Square Suites. Alright guys, what do you guys think of Times Square Suites? Here in, assuming downtown Vancouver. It's so close to Stanley Park, like 5-minute walk down to the seawall. Right on the main street, tons of restaurants. You saw what the place looked like. That's it for the room tour. There is no bed test this time. I don't want to break the bed. Although it's big enough. I'd probably get swallowed up by the bed. But I'm not going to do it. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you get notified whenever I post anything. Food reviews, live streams, hotel suite reviews, you name it. Thank you for joining. I'll see you next time. Adam C. for Hidden Jackpots. Ciao.